Alright, so I gotta clean some of this out. I had to put it in here because it was raining the other day. So we're gonna finish sound deadening this and we're gonna fix that little panel, but let me get this out the way first. It's like anytime I get this thing clean, a few days later it's already dirty again. But I wanna try and find where this water's coming in. I'm getting it right here. Right here. It's a bit annoying. I was trying to paint everything, but I can't with this rain. I was gonna paint these. I want them black because I believe I'm gonna do black, but we'll discuss that in the next clip. Let's get this out of here. I think I'm just gonna throw that away. I was gonna keep it, but I don't need it, and it kind of got wet. All right, so I got that stuff out. I'm gonna I'm gonna put some sound deadening right here, then probably start on this area, then we'll get to this because I gotta make the panel. But let's do that, then we'll get to that after. I'm gonna see how much sound deadening I have and if I'm gonna need to order more. But I had painted in here just to stop some of the rust because it was rusting pretty bad there. Because due to the water, as you can see, it's falling, which is a bit annoying, but I can fix that. But I got that there. Oh, we got our door panel there. I'm gonna try to get that door open also. Then we can clean this car again, but let's get to it. So I'm gonna try to go about right here, all the way along right there, come up and go straight right here. I'm gonna try to keep it about there. I don't want to come too close to this. About there and like this. And I think I'm gonna try and keep this here if I can. But let me see how big of a piece of metal I have. In our compressor. Alright, so I got some damp rags here that I just put over the fuel pump and the lines running to it just while I cut. I don't plan on trying to blow myself up today. I doubt that it'll do that, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. But let's get to cutting. It's raining real quick, but the sun's out, so I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes and we'll get back to it. I didn't see that there was this little bar under there. That's why I was having such a difficult time removing the last of this, but we got that out. Now let me clean this up. I got these down. It was bent up. Now we just gotta make the metal piece. I'm gonna use a piece of cardboard first to trace it all out. But this is pretty easy. The metal's really thin. People were complaining, saying, oh, you know, you messed up the car. I think it's a little crazy. I think you messed up a car over the small panel. But anyways, let's get to it. So I want to say this is 16 gauge. I want to say this is going to be a bit too thick, but I'll see once I make the cutout. But see, it'll cover all that. Of course, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to make a trace out with a piece of cardboard first, then I'll cut it, the real one. Let's do that with the cardboard. Let's get to it. Let's go put this back first. Alright, so this is what I about got. I got to fix it here a bit right here. Then I gotta cut it a bit up there because it's gonna line up with that perfectly. I'm just gonna have to drill that hole. Oh man, I messed it up. One sec. Yeah, it's gonna line up perfectly. That'll line up. I have a hole for it. Yeah, I just gotta fix it a little. We're looking good. Alright, this is about what we're working with. Just gotta go get my metal. You can place it on. I'll show you how to do this. It's just a cardboard Converse box that I used. Alright, so I was gonna use that 16 gauge, but I want to see what this weather does first. It's like crazy.